of the Charter on family life and children. In the case of Elena, it was much easier for us because it's language. Yeah, it's also language, and you have heard that violation of the Charter and before we had a lot of also fact-finding mission to Germany. There is here you have Jugendamt, but there is Jugendamt, and they also did not give permission to speak to divorced parents from Poland, from France, from Italy to speak language, especially many cases from Poland, Polish parents who divorced and they lost their children. And even speaking to children, they are not allowed to speak Polish because of suspicions that they will take children to Poland away from Germany. So it's very, very normal. And now we will have petitions from Denmark, the same case also, non-equal treatment. Yeah, all cases are regarded in the behavior of Danish citizens. But that's the case. I know that you have cases not so-called mixed families of different nationalities. Unfortunately, here in the European Parliament, we are mostly dealing with European dimension, so when the cross-border dimension. But it does not mean, because I think if we go ahead with this case, it will show Dutch authorities that they cannot behave as they want. That there is European Union which can influence.
A problem. Yeah. If your commission is going to go to the Dutch authorities for what's going on here, you see many papers with all troubles the children have in their families that they were taken away from the parents. In the official papers...
But they cannot avoid, they wrote themselves this language.
But that tell you. But if you want to know the truth, you as your European Parliament must talk to people like this lady beside you. We have nothing with our child. There's nothing wrong with the lady. Notice but they don't believe her.
I do understand.
And you understand that lady
the Parliament
but you
is
can
not
ask
a god. We are not a god.
I support the parents for a year or 18 in that kind of procedures.
But we have to organize also European network for protection of family and children.
Now there are different organizations.
You can organize.
I have not. That is my weak point. I have not an organization.
We can do nothing if we are separated one from another. I want to organize. I have organized, for example, I'm a chair of European Russian Speakers Alliance. Yeah? So I'm trying to organize a little bit Russian speakers living within all European Union and to be better represented, to participate in elections, etc., etc. Yeah? Now I am thinking about also, what I can do. I cannot do for all people. For Russian speakers to protect their families, because there are a lot of. But if you do this in bigger dimension, of course I can help you, and not only me, a lot of members of Parliament you can work with us, and we can help you with the problems, but we have make some manifestations, public actions, etc.
May I ask something? So. Now I saw this whole kind of charade, what it was to me, from the Commission, and they get away with it. Yeah. So they come with the new papers and so on and so on. We got another hearing here.
Are they gonna go get it?
Yeah, and
you see, it was a little bit.
Sorry, and you say to me, to us, no, we are not God, and we are just some people who try to make things happen. What actual power this commission, your commission, has for those situations? Because this is a big charade.
I'm saying there is European Court of Human Rights, where you can apply and they make a judgment. But it is another procedure. Here, and it takes I have one case for 8 years. I have made a lot. I had my own case also. I was deprived of political rights, but I have submitted a lot of cases. We have now a pending case for 8 years, and it is long. And even then, member states do not fulfill the decision of the European Court. Yeah. Here it is a political, this petitions committee is new one. It was launched in 2004 and it is an attempt to make more connection between us parliamentarians and citizens that they can apply to us. We examine the cases and we try to make some influence to authorities. That's all we can do. We cannot, we as parliamentarians, we approve budget, we approve legislation, but we cannot say Dutch authorities, you must give children back to the families. It's not our.
It's a pity, actually.
But this is working.
Yes, but so we are pressing politically.
It's just
and we have a lot of cases also on environment, because European law is covering the environment very good. I was last week with a visit on pollution in Spain. And the authorities, they had to, promise to enforce all this cleaning and etc. So we cannot say authorities, you must. Yeah, we say there is awareness, there are petitioners, they make petitions, they make manifestations, you must do something. That's what we can do. We can only as persons, as people, as parliamentarians, we can influence.
We have
it's not blah blah blah. Yeah? You know that one of these cases, there are 8 cases after this one for Denmark. And one of them was recently resolved. Yeah? The Supreme Court of Denmark, by the way, this petitioner was Russian woman who was deprived to meet her child, and the father was Danish. Yeah? And the Supreme Court cancelled the decision of Court of First Instance and gave child to mother.
It's about political pressure. That's the most important thing. It's
we have a little
the
problem
movie.
in Holland. In Holland we have a parliament, and if you complain but no truth finding in the family right cases, no truth finding, all what the authorities is approvable, not true. But the judges accept
but
that's
that's
true,
the thing.
and
Yes.
the parliament is not interested. Before elections they are interested with the amount, and after election you don't hear a thing about in the European Parliament.
Because
I tried to
Europe
involve
there is
to this case some Dutch MEPs.
Yeah, but if you have
That's
from our
even-
green group, but they did not. If
Yes,
you come,
I know. From the green group, yes. But I have
but
been
you
invited
can,
now to
visit them
I have been
yourself.
I've been
you can speak
invited
to them,
now to the parliament to speak. Finally, because of our blogspot.
So I
Dark
promise
Horse.
that I'll do all my best, but now I have my
But
train.
mostly
Yes,
they are
of
not
course.
interested.
Ze moet weg, Nico.
I heard you.
Thank you so much, because you are doing really your best.
How it happens, you understand.
Keep on fighting for the